Hello everybody, in this video we will go to explain 4 experiments and we will go to see how the fire acts with different elements. And one of the experiments is an accelerated crystallization thanks for the ammonic. Well, go ahead. Well, for the first experiment we will need alcohol. The alcohol will need to be flammable. Phosphorus, the mark didn't curve. Aluminum, a bottle of glass. The bottle will need to be of glass because the plastic can be melted. Forceps or tweezers. Later I will go to do the experiments and then I will go to explain how it works. The aluminum is a metal that can transport the heat. This contains the phosphorus that we can put in. The phosphorus burned and put the smoke in the bottle. Like is the smoke is some fluid. When you disperse this in all of the bottle, we put the alcohol in the bottle and it creates an homogenic solution that when you burn it creates that ring of fire. At the second experiment we will need only 3 things: an object that uses fire, an ball of corn, an antibacterial that contains alcohol. The antibacterial is a thing that can wash your hands. The carbon tetrachloride and the carbon disulfide is a liquid that can lower the heat of the fire. When you put the antibacterial in your hands, it's not too dangerous because the heat is not much, but can burn it and other things like alcohol and other things. But if you do it safe, you can play with this fire. For the third experiment, we will need candles and the fire. It works because when you turn off the candles, it creates a bridge of smoke that can burn in again the candles. It works because the fire is a reaction exothermic that relays heat, ash, and light. At the first experiment, I will not do the development because it's taking a time of 3 days, but I will say how it works. First, I will need a bleach that contains iron hexacyanoferrite. This can be searched in USA. Its name is Azulet. We will need a recipe of glass that can be corroded for the ammoniac. We will need sodium chloride, that is salt common, and water. And we will prepare the solution of this, and we put some of carton in the center, and then the salt we will arise thanks for the iron hexacyanoferrite that can be contained for the bleach, and the crystal of salt will arrive for the carton and for the glass. And later of the pass of the days, you can see the salt formed in the glass and the floor of the recipe.